Yo, what is going on YouTube? This quick tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get free Apex packs in 2026. You can get some working Apex Legends codes that you can redeem right now to get tons of free packs. You can also get free Apex coins and more. Before I show you guys these Apex Legends codes for free packs, make sure you like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am always creating updated Apex Legends tutorials. So let's get into the video and show you guys how to get free Apex packs. What you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone. Now, I know you probably play Apex on your console or PC, but just use your mobile to get your Apex Legends code and then you can redeem it wherever you play. So head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it correctly. You can pause the video, copy the address there. But basically, guys, what this is a game code website that I discovered. I was searching this morning for hours trying to get tons of packs without paying for them. Also free coins as well. I basically just wanted to there's the coins one. I basically just wanted to improve my Apex gameplay, but they do actually have a search bar on here, and also my battery is extremely low, so I'm just going to have to whiz through this before the phone shuts off. So you need to search for the Apex Legends codes page, guys. Go ahead and scroll down and you're looking for the free packs code. This is going to receive a random selection of Apex packs. Like I said, this is a code that you can redeem in the website, in the redeem code part or in game. And guys, it's going to supply your account with it says a random selection, but it does give you pretty much every pack and multiple of them. It gives you loads. So you need to unlock your Apex packs code. This is because these are pretty expensive if you was to purchase them, and these codes are limited. So click on get full code and you've just got to follow the instructions on this page. These basically sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can supply these Apex codes. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code. So essentially these tasks are completely free. They take about 5 minutes. You just got to make sure you do follow the instructions below each app. There is a set of instructions that basically tells you what to do. So take your time, complete 2 of them, and it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Apex Legends packs code will be unlocked. So you can literally grab it, redeem it, and that is how to get free packs in Apex Legends. And this is working in 2026, guys. They do also have a coins code, 10,000 free Apex coins, and they also have unlock all skins and heirlooms. So hope you enjoyed this video. Head on over to Cold Coupons. I better go and charge my phone. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.